So on the motorhome I'm demonstrating here today, the Elddis 115, is fortunate enough to have the Remis cab blinds. So we need our finger and thumbs, and if I squeeze that open to release the blind, if I can keep this edge straight, because that edge is going to fit in there, slide it down, and it's held in place by a magnet. When we're putting it back, if we give it a gentle shake, and make sure that's nicely, firmly in place before we drive off. The windscreen, again, same scenario, finger and thumb, squeeze, pull it together, they meet in the middle. This gives us our privacy during the night time. Also helps to keep the sun out of the van, keeping it nice and cool where we're inside. The Peugeot and Fiat van base has height adjustable cab seats, drivers and passenger seats. To adjust the height, we've got two little levers here. If I pull the front one up, I can push my weight backwards and forwards to raise the front end, and the rear one, I can get myself a nice comfortable position to be in. I've got some support for my back here, and the armrests come down as well. In between my legs is the bar to bring the seat backwards and forwards. The passenger seat on the Citroën, Peugeot and Fiat bases, just underneath here, underneath the grille. This is where we're going to find our toolkit, our towing eye, our jack, etc. if we should need them. This Elddis 115 that we're currently in, both the drivers and passenger seats can rotate into the living area. And to do this, there's a little lever down here. I push it backwards, push the seat round, and as soon as it's moving, I can let go of the lever. Bring the seat round to where I want it to be, and the same with the driver's side. The driver's side though can catch the steering wheel and also the handbrake, so sometimes we have to move the seat backwards and forwards to get it into the correct position. Just a word of warning though, we do have to be facing forwards when the vehicle's in motion.